So this is actually footage from last fall. Me and my dad decided to go out to our local area. It's called Brooks. It's located in, I would say, probably, southern, western Iowa. Not super far southern, but, far enough to kind of be southern-ish. Private riding area. The track since the time of this all being recorded has changed a lot. I don't show the whole track in this just because, unfortunately, because of where my dad had it mounted, it doesn't show a good angle for a lot of it. So I ended up getting rid of quite a bit of, when you were looking straight down at the ground, because that's not really interesting to watch. My dad did decide to take control of the GoPro for this one, so I'm sorry that the resolution, everything like that's a little messed up. But like I said, I cut it all down so that way you get all the good parts of what we were riding. Riding there was actually a lot of fun. It was fall, so a lot of the leaves were on the ground. There were quite a few slippery areas, but Brooks is not really a hard place to do any riding. I'm actually going to be going riding here within the next week to go do some more riding out there. I'm going to record that as well and, kind of upload a little bit of a comparison. I plan on mounting the camera to myself this next time, just so that way, you can get a little bit of two-stroke action. Also, I love my dad, but he's about 55, 56, so he's not exactly, the quickest of riders, but he's out there keeping up with me for the most part. You'll see me waiting on him here or there, but he does a pretty good job for the most part. Hopefully this next time out I won't have to, wait up nearly as much. I should get a little bit of time of riding out there by myself, so you'll get some good quick pace out of the video, and a lot will have changed from then. I'm probably going to upload a lot of that more raw. I'm probably not going to speak throughout this entire video just because I don't have that much to say. This track isn't really the most exciting or challenging track. It's pretty simple. The leaves are probably the hardest part in this video, and it being slippery. They've added a few more, logs and stuff since this video was recorded, but still really not that challenging. It's a very good beginner friendly area. It's got a lot of hills and creeks, but still it's not that hard of hills and creeks. It's some up and down and traveling over roots. I do make quite a few mistakes in this video of accidentally getting off course. It was later in the season when this was recorded, like I've previously stated. So a lot of the signposts weren't always marked perfectly, so I did get lost a couple of times. You'll see those points where I'm kind of like turning around being like, I'm sorry, or like in one of the parts my dad almost runs into my back because I'm like, where in the hell am I going? Now they have it a lot better marked than what it really shows in this video, and you'll end up seeing that on the next video I end up posting of IRL stuff. Hopefully I do get a chance to get a couple more IRL videos out before winter hits and I go back to posting mainly video games. I know I'm super inconsistent with how much I've been posting, but I love motorcycles. I love going out and riding. That's what I was putting a lot of my time into recently, was going out and doing IRL riding, not playing video games. I took like a solid month off of playing any video games and was just focusing on, my actual life. So hopefully I can turn around and start actually producing some content for you guys that's IRL related, just that way I still have something that you guys can enjoy watching. With it being close to winter, I don't know how many more I'm going to get to record. I also just got a flat on my front tire for my street bike, so I don't even know if I'm going to get to go out doing any street riding. Plus, with any street riding, I have to record that 2 years prior because of legal reasons. I'm really trying not to have anyone come after me for doing wheelies or anything like that. Please understand anytime you see me doing wheelies. I know I say I'm not good at it, but I do have 17 years of motorcycle experience. I'm pretty well versed in how to ride a motorcycle, so don't try and replicate anything you see me do in a lot of these videos, whether that's street or dirt, unless you truly are in a place that's safe for you to do these things. I know I'm not leading by example, considering in my last video I did do some wheelies on the street, but as I've stated, those were all recorded 2 years prior to me uploading. That's all I really have to say though. I really hope you guys do enjoy the remaining bit of this video. It's just going to be a lot of us riding around, and it's just going to be raw riding footage. So If you do end up enjoying the footage, please like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. I know I'm never going to make a living off of doing any of this. I enjoy making content that people are going to end up enjoying or even watching or anything like that. Just the chance of me being able to express my writing or me being able to show what I love to do to everyone just means a lot to me. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.